And touch your partner's base, take whatever stance you want with the footwork. And then from here, you feel your partner's feet. And then you look at different mechanisms to influence and affect your partner. So you might start off with just opening the matrices through expanding space. And then you do the next test, demagnetizing the matrices and adding a bit of magnetism to stretch the bodies. You may add vital to just extend. You might look at the gaps and just empty out a gap. You might feel the tensions and go to underneath the tensions and just empty from within. You might choose an element like air element and just float everything to get everything open. And then you just experiment, thank you, through each method you have of opening your partner and to get that access. Actually, a couple more. Can you? Yep. Then do things like only go to the shoulder and put your mind only in this area here and nothing's happening. And then as soon as you go, oh, I forgot to open my partner up. And then you'll go all the way to the base and put the energy in, but his body won't move because I haven't opened him. And as soon as I start getting the opening, the reaction happens. So you can run energy and go, oh, this person isn't being affected. What do I have to do? Open the matrices, then they start getting affected. So you do it wrong and then you do it right. And just switch through each model and method you know and be very sensitive to exactly how you're creating the effect. And then clearly go, okay, I'm opening the space, I'm demagnetizing, I'm running an air element through, I'm putting a high volume of energy, I'm collapsing from under, whatever mechanism you want. And if you see someone on YouTube doing any type of demo, automatically, oh, that's what he's doing. You know, this is how he's opening the matrices. If you read any book about Qigong and any method that people are doing, work out how they're opening the matrices for it to work. And so you get this, after you've done that a few dozen times, you look at anyone doing a demo, they're just using electric opening the joints, contracting the space, electrocuting, or whatever it might be. And you can replicate it as soon as you understand how it's being done in principle. And then you don't have to use the external framework that they're using. You just apply the same principles they're using to make it happen. And the more diversity you have in how you get the result, the better you get at this, and the more easy it is to solve the puzzle when you touch someone. Because sometimes people are highly resistant to one method, another method they're hyper-responding. So you want to jump between as many methods as you can. Okay, partner up, have a play.